Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Are you looking for a sweet, golden, and ethical alternative to traditional honey? Well, today we're diving into the wonderful world of vegan honey. This plant-based syrup is not only delicious, but also completely bee-friendly, making it a fantastic choice for everyone. It offers that familiar sticky sweetness, perfect for your morning toast, without impacting our important pollinator friends. It's truly a sweet innovation, right at your fingertips. Making vegan honey really only requires a few simple ingredients, items you likely have in your kitchen right now. We'll start with chopped apples, providing body and a subtle fruitiness to our base. Then, there's sugar, of course, for that essential sweetness and viscosity. A splash of fresh lemon juice brightens the flavor, helping prevent crystallization, too. Finally, a touch of brewed chamomile tea is key, adding a delightful floral aroma that truly elevates the taste. It's a surprisingly simple list for such a wonderful, sweet outcome. Now let's get cooking. First, combine your chopped apples, sugar, water, and lemon juice in a medium saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, stirring occasionally, just until all of that sugar has completely dissolved. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to a low simmer. Let it cook gently, uncovered, for about 30 to 40 minutes. This stage allows the apples to soften beautifully and for all those wonderful flavors to begin melding together perfectly. Once your apple mixture has simmered and the apples are very soft, it's time for the next crucial step. Carefully strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve, pressing firmly on the apple solids to extract every last drop of liquid. Discard the pulp, then return the clear liquid to your saucepan. Now, stir in your prepared chamomile tea. Continue simmering this over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally until it thickens to a honey-like consistency. Watch it closely, as this usually takes around 10 to 15 minutes for that perfect golden glow. Once your vegan honey has reached that perfect consistency, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool completely. As it cools, it will thicken, becoming even more luscious. Once cooled, simply transfer your golden creation to an airtight jar. It can be stored in the refrigerator for several weeks, ready whenever you need a sweet touch. Now, enjoy your homemade vegan honey. Drizzle it over pancakes, stir it into your tea, or use it as a delightful substitute in any recipe calling for traditional honey. It's truly versatile and rewarding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.